Hi YouTube, you are watching FunTerTainmenT and thank you for being here. In this video I have these Tourmaline stones, and if you are making jewelry or something like that, you know what they are. So they are 8 millimeters diameter, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if they are actually a stone or not. So I have two different types of experiment. First one is that I'm gonna put fire under them and see what happens, and second one is that I'm gonna break one or two of them and see if these stripes or veins are natural or no, just the color that they put on top of it. So let's do it. So now I don't know what color I should pick. Maybe let me see. You guys say maybe this pink one. So ready? Yep. It looks like a stone. Ready? Cannot break it. Broke it, guys. That's it. So I think they are all stone. Even if they are in the same string, they might have different qualities. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite color. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe my channel and like the video if you did. And check out my other videos. I'm sure you would love them. And thank you. See you soon.